喺著名學府讀書係唔少人嘅夢想，但係史丹福大學有電腦科學研究生表示，佢哋有好多功課做。
There's like a lot of homework, so I think it's really easy to get caught up in trying to be at the top of your class. I mean, everyone who's here was at the top of their high school class, so they're all used to being very successful people. And when you come here and you're into this environment where everyone's so successful, it's really, really hard to maintain the same standard.
史丹福大學電機工程學系嘅系主任同意學校功課多，但係佢話有時學生都俾自己壓力。
Sometimes the self-imposed stress that they can't control, you worry about that they feel these stresses, and they're not really the things they're stressed out about aren't as important. They get too worried about grades or the grade in a particular class, or some other aspect of their performance. And you don't want them to get to the point where that's really seriously depressing them.
對於周夢瑤同學嘅死，佢表示喺舊年周夢瑤已經通過博士生入學資格考試，同埋得到多至4年嘅學費資助。佢唔認為死者係受求學嘅壓力困擾。
From the admissions process is that she was a very strong student. She had an excellent undergraduate record, and her record here was excellent. May did her undergraduate work at MIT, so it's certainly no easier there than it as an undergraduate than here as a graduate.
但係佢補充，死者係唔係開心，佢就唔知道。根據聖荷西水星報嘅報導，如果周夢瑤係自殺身亡嘅話，就係今個月第2個史丹福大學自殺嘅學生，同2005年夏季以嚟嘅最少第5個。上個星期四，警方喺 Santa Rosa 發現 Majo 嘅汽車同埋屍體。初步嘅驗屍報告指，死者嘅身上冇明顯嘅外傷，而警方又表示，佢哋喺車尾箱度發現咗一啲物件，顯示死者有可能係自殺。但係詳細嘅化驗同埋分析報告就等幾個星期先至會完成。26台記者梁慧珊喺史丹福大學嘅報導。